Hi, I'm Shannon from Khan Academy, and I want to show you how to make the most of your learning time. First, make sure you're logged into your Khan Academy account by checking for your name in the upper right-hand corner. If you are not logged in, you won't be able to view your assignments, and any progress you make won't be counted towards your classes. Now on the left-hand side, you should see your classes where your teacher has given you a mastery goal or an assignment to work on. Click on the tab that says Assignments to view assignments from your teacher. On the Assignments tab, you can see all your upcoming and past due assignments. Assignments with the nearest due date will appear at the very top of the list. Now that you're ready to go, let's talk about the top 5 things to know about assignments on Khan Academy. Number 1, types of assignments. There are 2 main types of assignments you can receive on Khan Academy. The first type is practice, noted with the star symbol. Practice can be an exercise, quiz, or unit test. When you complete practice on Khan Academy, you receive instant feedback after every answer. Answer all questions to complete the assignment and receive a score. The second type is instruction, noted with the play symbol and the paper symbol. Instruction can be in the form of videos or articles. The videos and articles can help you learn new skills or review things you learned in class. All videos have subtitles so you can easily follow along. Number 2, if you're stuck, take a hint. It's normal to feel stuck when you're learning new skills. But the important thing is you don't give up. Take a hint to get step-by-step instructions to the specific question you're working on. We recommend that you write these hints down so you can reference them later. You can also try watching a video or reading an article on the skill, even if it hasn't been assigned to you. You'll find the videos and articles related to each skill you're practicing by clicking the Stuck or Get Help link. Once you've done that, you're ready to retry the practice exercise. And if you're still stuck, reach out to a classmate, teacher, or a family member for support. Number 3, be patient and persistent. Not happy with the score you received on a practice exercise? Trust me, we've all been there. But remember, on Khan Academy, you can always retry assignments until you earn a score that you're proud of. Click Try Again to retry. You can also return to assignments where the due dates have passed to try to improve your score. Struggles and mistakes are what helps your brain grow, so keep persisting. Number 4, check your progress. On the left-hand side, select Progress under My Account. From here, you can review all of the activity on Khan Academy. This includes exercises you completed, videos you watched, or articles you read. Depending on your learning goals, you may want to filter to view a certain type of content or activity. And for each practice you completed, you can view your current mastery level, the number of questions you answered correctly, and how much time you spent on the activity. It's helpful to regularly check your progress so you know if you're on track to meet your goals. Number 5, make Khan Academy your own. And finally, adjust Khan Academy to work for your unique learning style. You can slow down, speed up, or rewind the videos when you need to. You can learn in the language you're most comfortable with. Khan Academy is available in over 50 languages, and you can easily switch between languages in your settings. And if you prefer, you can complete assignments on a smartphone. Just download the Khan Academy app on Android or iOS. And remember, you have the potential to succeed. Keep trying, keep making mistakes, and keep asking for help when you need it. There is no limit to what you can learn.